So yesterday I was hungry and I needed something so quick and nutritious as well. So I made this abom recipe.
Welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa.
So I only used 5 ingredients, but the most important thing was there was one ingredient that is so packed
with so much flavor that I could not contain myself. I was like, oh yeah, let me get some editing done for you guys. You see,
when I enjoyed it, I was like, yes, I think I cracked it. So I could not wait to share it with you guys.
So the main ingredients that I've been talking about is this incredible, yes, jaddo, which is the dried smoked herrings. It's a popular fish that is available in Ghana and is used in making the Ghanaian black chili sauce. But today it's coming into my pot. The flavor of this fish is so good and it's also rich in omega-3. And so such an easy and simple thing to add for that extra flavor. Now I've got my kaswa chilies. You can use any green chilies of your choice. Like, get some bakbashito, which is known as the petit belle chilies, as one does, and just grind this.
If this is your first time, you're welcome. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button whilst you're here if you like what you see so far, and the notification button, which means that you do not miss anything at all. When you click the notification button, select all so you don't miss any videos that I do upload. Thank you.
So the next thing is I'm just adding my onion. So that's my ingredient number 3. And I'm just grinding this. Now you notice that I've allowed the fish to be in the outer layer of it and I've not entirely, blended this into like a very fine consistency. I need that coarse texture still. So I've added my salt to taste and I'm just going to mix everything together till it's well combined. I think at this point, my spinach is also going to be ready for me to add it, but not before I actually deal with my oil. So I have got my zomi that I've placed in my frying pan on a medium to low heat. And to that, I've added some onions. I'm going to allow this to fry for about 5 minutes. Reason is I want the onions to be sweeter. Yes, so they should just cook gently and nicely. So whilst the onion is cooking, as you can just tell, I've added the spinach to the mixture and I'm just going to grind everything till it's well combined. Ndudu by Fafa, Koba Ndudu and Yukwelu Fafa. Come on, Ndudu and blow Fafa. I love a flavors all my bala. Ndudu Vivi to Famatu. Now to make sure my 2 boiled eggs looks like 4, I've divided that in 2, as you can tell. I'm just drizzling it with a little bit of the excess oil there. And I'm just going to be scooping this and, decorating the dish. So this becomes an inexpensive but equally nutritious dish to enjoy. And considering it doesn't take that long to make, it's definitely a must try. If you want to cut your cooking time as well when you're doing the yam, thinly slice it so that boils quickly. Exactly. Bish bash bosh, you're done. Such an easy, protein-rich dish.
I enjoyed it with some yam. And I did a little video and I teased a few people on my Instagram page. Now I'm just going to be having a picnic today in the garden. Yes, got my fan when the sun comes out and my chale, it's too hot now. Anyway, my notification gang. Hey, thank you guys. You guys are incredible. You're incredible. Thank you for your likes, your comments, and your encouragement. I appreciate it, definitely. And to my loyal subscribers, my heartfelt thanks. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, please continue to stay safe. Do not forget to wash your hands, and if you're going out, do take a hand sanitizer, a disposable glove if you can, and change it every hour. And also your mask. Absolutely, drink lots of fluids, boost your immune system. I've got a plethora of recipes that could help you with that. Yes, but please, we need you alive. Yes, and each passing day, one is grateful to wake up to see the day. Yes. Now, I'm leaving a list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudu.blogspot.com, so do check it out. Yes, I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu, so please pass by and say hi. Now, thank you very much for my theme song. And until next time, kings and queens and beautiful people, please take care of yourself. We love you for you. Thank you for watching.